Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter the pairing mode manually on your Realme Buds T100. So as you can see in my case, they are already in the pairing mode when I open this charging case. But if this feature is not working in your case, just let me show you how we can do this. So remove the left and the right earbud. Next we have to grab them, and in this place, in this arena, we can find touch control panel. We have to click and hold this touch control panel for 5 seconds, and you can basically also hold one of these earbuds close to your ear and you will hear the voice notifications that they are ready to pair. So let's do this right now. Click and hold them. I'm gonna put the right one close to my ear. Okay, and that was the voice notification. So right now, when we open the pair new device, we can find our Realme Buds T100 on available devices list. Right now, all you have to do is just to click once on the pair button, and there we are. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.